Hi, I'm Doug Patt, and this is How to Architect. I'm an architect, and I started this channel back in 2008. And today you can find hundreds of videos all about architecture right here. There are videos that'll teach you how to letter like an architect, help you decide if you want to become an architect, and even a few that should help you figure out if you've got what it takes. You'll also find extensive playlists like Architecture 101 that include hundreds of facts about architecture, a series about why buildings look like they do, top 10 lists, videos about making a portfolio, and even a few series featuring real architectural projects that I've worked on. Also, be sure to check out some of the really popular videos like How to Write Like an Architect, How to Design Like an Architect, Modern Home, and The Truth About Being an Architect. And if you're really interested in becoming an architect, head on over to architects.academy, where I offer a huge course, an ebook I like to call Architecture School in 4 hours. There's a ton there about design, architectural styles and terms, hand lettering, model making, and way more. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the comments section or at the Academy.